Can you wait? I don't know if I can wait. Let me just show you. Oh, you see the steam? Look at that. Look at that. Hey everyone, Beth here. Happy New Year. Happy 2026. Can you believe it? I am just having a lazy day, jammies, comfies all day long, just working in the kitchen. I have a casserole in the oven and I'm attempting to make cloverleaf dinner rolls. So I just thought it would be fun to kind of jump on and show you guys the process. Well, not really the process because I already started them and the dough has been rising for about an hour. I also wanted to let you know that I'm wearing Gia. This is the one in honey. This is such a fun shag. I really love it. Just an easy throw and go style. So Gia kind of reminds me of a longer lavender, and I love lavender. I wore it all summer long when my daughter and I would go out and do our hikes and our walks. I really like that shorter mid-length style when I am being active or when I'm just around the house and just kind of bumming around, cleaning, cooking, all that. I do a lot of cooking for my family, so I need to have something comfortable, and I sometimes will have my grandson's dad coming and going, so I don't like to walk around the house without hair because it feels a little bit awkward sometimes, if you know what I mean. So I just want to let you know that I am waiting to hear back from Silver Star Brands. We may have some kind of a discount code coming up in 2026, but they haven't told me yet. They're still trying to get fully stocked. I think there's a lot of backlog maybe in the manufacturing side of things, or if it's just a slower process in getting stuff shipped here. I'm not exactly sure. But I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, there will be some kind of an added discount code. But for now, please remember when you are shopping at Paula Young, go ahead and use BBH as your promo code. That's free shipping on orders over $69. Now, of course, that's going to exclude clearance items. But let's say you buy this wig for $65 or whatever it is. I think it's $66.99 because this is the captivating color. So you can buy this wig and then you could add on like the Paula Young conditioner or the Paula Young luster spray. I love both of those for my wig care. And then you'll reach that threshold of $69.90 or just $69, and then you'll get that free shipping. Then, of course, when you use BBH, they know that you've watched my videos. That helps me when they're looking at renewing my contract. So I really appreciate that when you do that. So again, I'm in my kitchen and I'm just doing some cooking. My daughter also wants pumpkin pie. She's at work right now, but I may do that, but I'm getting kind of tired because I cleaned, and I'm gonna make these cloverleaf rolls. So I don't have my camera set up. I don't have any lights. I'm just actually have my phone leaning against my Tupperware flour container. So let's get out this dough and get started. All right, so it's been rising for an hour, so it has about doubled in size. Do you see that? So I'm just gonna pat it out into more of like a rectangle because I need to divide this into 12 pieces. Do you ever work with yeast? So I did the first one with the active dry yeast and it didn't seem like it foamed up. So then I used the instant yeast. And this is the first time that I've had trouble with it because I've made dinner rolls for every holiday and I haven't had any trouble with the rising, but you know, who knows? Sometimes it's just climate or whatever. All right, so let's cut that in half. So I need 12. Let's see. Math. Math is a wonderful thing. Let's see. We're going to go with this. So I'm just cutting it into thirds. And then that's 6, right? Then if I cut these in half, does that make 12? Because I have 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12. I can count. Okay, so I'm just taking each piece and dividing it into thirds. And then I'm just sort of like wrapping it around. I don't know, you guys. I just kind of started doing this for the holidays, making homemade dinner rolls. But I wanted to try these Cloverleaf rolls. So essentially, it's just like a milk bread. So you use milk instead of like water for the liquid. So yeah, that's that. So I do want to tell you guys that Paula Young has got new styles that are coming out in your catalog in January, which you've seen them on the website. I reviewed 3 of them. I do think that they have a few more styles than that are in the catalog, but I purchased Gia and the other 2 they had sent me, and they also have more that are coming out basically throughout the year. So I have been sent pictures of those, and I'm super excited. There's one that I'm really excited for, and I can't tell you the name of it, but it's from the Couture collection, and it's a new color. And it's like a rooted blended color, and I'm super excited about that one. And I think she said that one is coming out in March. I don't know when I'm actually going to get it, but I'm really excited about that. So there are some longer styles and also some like cute, I saw one that was like a cute wavy bob that they're going to, like, they sent me pictures of the ones that they'll be sending me. Essentially, basically, she showed me pictures of for like the next 6 months. So that's really exciting. I'm excited to be working with the new company. As far as how the company works, ins and outs, I don't know. I don't have a good handle on that, because I know some of you have asked like about the $5.99 fee. I don't know if it's just some kind of a processing fee so that they can keep shipping costs lower, and then if stuff ends up having to be returned or whatever, I don't exactly know, because I don't work for the company. Do you know what I'm saying? I am an ambassador as far as reviewing wigs, but other than that, I don't know the ins and outs of the company, the financial situation, all of that, and how that works. So, so I can't really tell you about that. However, even at that price, you guys, while we were on the hiatus, I can't find wigs that are like name brand wigs, which Paula Young are, because I can tell you they're made in the same factories as Raquel Welch, as John Renault, as Beltras. I can't find a better price than Paula Young. And if you compare cap feature to cap feature, if I were to buy a basic cap wig like this from any other name brand, I'm gonna pay 3 times as much for it. You are gonna probably see a style like Gia probably at about $159 to $189, maybe more, depending upon whose name is on it. Do you know what I'm saying? So you just really can't, and this is $59 For the captivating color that I'm wearing, it's $66 because they charge an extra $7. The other Paula Young did that too for the captivating colors. So I still feel like, you know, you can't beat it. And I mean, I've had some Amazon wigs and I don't wear them. I can't wear them. I prefer the name brand wigs, and I prefer of those Paula Young. I like the Paula Young fibers, and I also think that Paula Young is more comfortable for my work day. So I am not sure what to tell you. I know the other company did do more sales, but still I feel like their prices are really good, because I don't know if this one would have come in at, would be $59. This one might have been $79 at the old Paula Young, but then they go ahead and then they do a discount. Do you know what I'm saying? So I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to tell you about that. Okay, so now that I got all my 3 balls made like that, they're gonna go in my muffin tin. Now it's not a tin, sorry. It's the silicone muffin cups. But whatever muffin cups you have, you don't put a liner in there. I sprayed it, but you could also put butter in the bottom. So I want to get you to see it. So I'm just not sure how I can get you to see it. Here we go. Maybe like that. All right, so we're gonna take the 3 and then we're just gonna go ahead and stick them. Here, I'll do it right here so you can see it. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. The 3 little round balls, that's gonna make our cloverleaf rolls. So then they're gonna pull apart. So essentially little pull apart rolls. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yum. They're already starting to rise. And let's get them in there. Ooh. So here they are. Now I'm just going to grab my plastic wrap and I'm going to actually spray the plastic wrap so that when they rise, they don't stick. Okay, now these are gonna rise for about 30 minutes. The recipe says 425, but my oven runs hot, so I put it at 410. So these have risen for about a half an hour. And now we're gonna uncover them and put some melted butter on them before we bake them. So I got that right here. So you guys, did you make any New Year's resolutions? I don't really make resolutions per se. I kind of think about things that I want to accomplish and that I want to do, and try to set some goals to reach those milestones, if you will. I think a lot of people do like the weight loss, that kind of stuff, which I think is important. At my age, I'm just more about health. So I definitely will be getting back on track after the holidays here, but today is a relaxed day. So I'm not worried too much about it. All right, we just about have that done. Look at that. All right, as soon as the oven is ready, those are going in. 13 to 15 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and see what they look like. should have watched a little bit closer because it got a little dark. Now I'm just gonna throw a little more butter on top. A little melted butter.
Yeah, I think that woman gave it to me at secretary or in the shop.
Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna just take these out onto the wire rack so that they can cool. Can you wait? I don't know if I can wait. Let me just show you. Oh, you see the steam? Look at that. Look at that. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little taste test of these. I know they haven't cooled yet, but we're just gonna try them. With the silicone pan, the bottom's got dark, so I'm not too happy about that, but oh my gosh. You guys, these are really, really good. Really, really good. I'll link the recipe for these. The buttery tops, so good, so soft, just pillowy. I love how they pull apart. Yummy. So I just want to thank you all for being here with me in 2025, and I'm so excited for all the fun things to come in 2026. And I wish you all a happy and a healthy new year. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.